this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Temu cannot change address. So let's get straight into the video. Generally, you might be facing this address error when you have an active order already in packaging state or packing state, or it could also be an app glitch or even an outdated autofill. So what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is head to your Temu application, then click on your U tab and click on your orders. You want to simply locate your shipping address, click on edit, and then you can simply go ahead and change it from here. If that is not the case, what you can do is simply go ahead and head into the U tab on the bottom of your screen. Here, you want to click on addresses and then add a new address that you can simply go ahead and select, clear your older address. If none of it works, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and then reinstall your application, which should go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.